In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Project Dark Mode into Light Mode in Framer. We'll walk through where the theme toggle lives, how to preview your work in dark, and then how to switch everything back to light so your project appears as intended. First, open Framer and head to your workspace. Once you're on the project's view, look toward the top left of the interface. You'll see your profile icon. Click it to open the menu. This is where Framer keeps quick workspace options, including the theme switcher. From this menu, click Night Mode. That instantly switches Framer's interface to a dark theme. It's helpful to do this step first because it confirms you've found the right control and shows you exactly how dark mode affects the workspace and previews. Keep in mind, this toggle is a global interface preference in Framer. It changes how the editor and previews look for you, but it doesn't rewrite your project's design tokens or styles. Now, click into your project to check how it looks with night mode enabled. Open the canvas or preview so you can see panels, backgrounds, and text against the darker UI. If parts of your design already use their own theming, you'll still get a clear sense of contrast and readability within the dark environment. When you're ready to switch back, return to the project's view and click the profile icon at the top left again to reopen the menu. This time, select Day Mode. The interface flips back to a bright, light theme immediately. Finally, open your project again to verify everything looks right in light mode. You should see the editor panels and preview on a lighter background, which makes it easier to evaluate spacing, color, and accessibility for light-first designs. That's all there is to it. If the interface doesn't update right away, a quick refresh will apply the change. And remember, if your project includes its own theme switcher or variables, those are managed inside the project. The profile menu toggle simply controls Framer's editor and preview appearance for you.